Top 5 Best Power Cord for Amplifier. Cable Matters 2-pack. This power cable is not rated to be used as an extension cable. Check the voltage and amp rating of your equipment to ensure compatibility. The DIY computer builder or IT technician can keep a spare from the 2-pack for rebuilding old equipment or testing. Features: replace a short or damaged cable, heavy-duty construction, full-featured power cable, individual wire insulation. Power cord, 15 foot. Ideal for use as a replacement to an old or missing power cord or simply as a handy backup. UL listed for safety, durable design for long-lasting strength and performance. Features: universally compatible. Multiple lengths. This is a universal standard, as long as it has a 110 outlet. C2G replacement power cable. Replaces lost or worn out power cords. Universal design works with your PC, monitor, TV, printer, or other devices with a 3-pin power connection. Tested for safety, performance, and compliance by UL. C2G cables are both effective and safe to use. Features: perfect replacement for old, unreliable power cables. Work with most device. Available in lengths up to 25 feet. Triplate P007006 heavy power cord. Reliable design, RoHS compliant and is UL listed. Also, manufactured in compliance with strict RoHS specifications. Lifetime warranty. Desktop PC power cable is backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Features: superior quality, lifetime product warranty, the smart solution for network installations. It is not stated that it is shielded. AC 3-prong power cord. The SP10 has a 2-prong cord attached to the amp. This is a 3-prong cord designed to be plugged in or out. The cord for the SP10 probably has spade tips that attach to screw terminals. Features: 6 feet length, 14 AWG, rated 15A, 125 volts. UL approved.